Welcome back to Hey What's That? I'm your host Barry, and today we're on the Southern RV sales lot. We're inside one of our Jaycos and we're taking a look at the gas electric refrigerator. These are commonly found in most RVs, whether it's a motorhome or a towable. This is one of the more standard types of fridges. We see them in a bunch of different sizes, from really small ones like college dorm room size fridges all the way up to these big double door models that almost look residential. But here's the difference. This fridge is not like your refrigerator at home. It's an absorption style refrigerator. It means that it gets cold a little bit differently. It can do it two ways. It can use the electricity from the shore power, so when we're plugged in, it can pull off the AC current, or it can use the LP. So it's a combination of your 12-volt battery and your propane. And that's going to cool this thing down. You can also set it to switch back and forth. It can automatically choose what's available. So when no shore power is available, it will switch over and work off of the LP and the battery. It has a mode button, which is going to allow you to do that. And as you can see here, it's set to auto right now. We can move it to AC or LP just by selecting that. We'll switch it back to auto because that's going to pick the best for this fridge at the moment. Now, the thing about these absorption refrigerators is that they don't have a lot of air circulation inside. So what we recommend for them is a product like this. It's just a small fan that's battery powered. It'll last a good long time. You can place this inside the fridge. It'll help circulate the air and keep an even temperature throughout. Thanks for joining us today. This has been Hey What's That?